It is dinner time over here, and I am cooking some beef rice-a-roni. This is the dinner tonight, beef rice-a-roni. And I had a leftover chicken breast. That I pulled out, just cut it up on the back burner right here. Just slice it up in a few slices. I don't believe in wasting food. And I've sauteed some onions. And I'm going to add the rice-a-roni to the onions. I have not cooked rice-a-roni in forever. Oh my goodness. Let me turn this up. And I didn't even introduce myself. Good evening. Today this is Eating with Food for Thought Roberts, and I am trying to just make a quick meal. And I mean, when I tell you it's quick, this is going to be super, super quick. And I have a hamburger patty that I had cooked a couple days ago, and it didn't get eaten. So I took that, I sliced that up. I'm going to chop it up a little bit more, and I'm going to add that to these caramelized onions. Also with the rice-a-roni, but I think I'm going to put the rice-a-roni in first. Yeah, I'm going to put the rice-a-roni in first. This should be good. That was 2 tablespoons of butter. Just a small onion chopped up. Now we're going to saute this. I used to, back in the day, me and my babies, we ate a lot of rice-a-roni. Not anymore, but back then, oh yeah, a lot. And this is always a good quick meal, you know. You want to cook this for about 5 minutes, because you want to brown the rice and the vermicelli. The onions are perfect. Just going to add a little bit of seasoning to this. Just a little onion powder. Add a little bit to this chicken too. This chicken is well seasoned. I'm just adding just a little bit more flavor to it. A little bit of garlic. A little bit to the rice-a-roni too. And that's it. I'm going to add the hamburger patty. Nicely chopped up. This is so simple. It's ridiculously simple. Got a little bit of green beans up in here that I have bought. I went to Popeye's chicken last night, and I'm going to dump that in here too. So now I'm going to add the water, and I'm going to dump that in after I start. I mean, after it's done. I'm not even measuring this because I know how to cook rice pretty well. And if I need to add more water later, I will. I don't want to add too much. It normally calls for, I think it's 1.5 cups to 2 cups of water. Now they have a seasoning packet. Add that seasoning pack. And I always use hot water. I keep me a tea kettle with hot water going. Once you bring it up to a boil, just turn it down to simmer. Put the top on it. Come back in about 20 minutes. See you in 20 minutes. It's cooking up pretty good. Added a little bit more water, because that's what it needed. But follow the directions on your package. I just don't, because like I said, I've been cooking rice a long time. But I haven't cooked rice-a-roni in a long time, but it's still rice. So I just have to add a little bit more water. And as you know, I put the meat in already. I haven't put the green beans in. Those are going to go in last. We're at the 10-minute mark. 10 more minutes. We are now at the 3-minute mark. 3 more minutes. I just put the green beans in. Oh, we were at the 30-second mark. I thought it said 3 more minutes. Anyway, let this cook for just a few more minutes. Now I am going to take the chicken, and I'm just going to set the chicken pieces right on top. Turn this fire down to low all the way. Put the lid on here so the chicken can steam up. So I didn't want to keep it on that pan, because you can dry your chicken out. And I'm not trying to dry this chicken out. So a couple more minutes. In this one pan, quick, easy, leftover meals. Look in your refrigerator, see what you got. Throw it in the pot. I believe this is ready. Quick, quick, quick. This is good. It's nothing but rice, hamburger meat, a few pieces of chicken on top, and a little bit of string beans. And the rice is Rice-A-RONI. So just follow the directions on the package for the Rice-A-RONI. Add you some onions. Saute you some onions in there. Add your rice. Add your water. Let it steam up. Get nice and fluffy. Add your meat, whatever type of meat you like. Because any type of meat will do. And if you don't want meat, leave it out. If you want tofu in it, put you some tofu in it. If you want mushrooms, mushrooms will be good in this. Any vegetable you put in here is going to be good. I just wanted to get something quick. I'm looking in the refrigerator, seeing what can come out and seeing what I don't want to throw away because it's still good. So that's why we got the chicken, the beef, the these string beans. It's all good. So this is our dinner for tonight. And thank you for stopping by to watch. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Take the time out and hit that subscription button. Hit that notification bell so that the next time I upload content, you will be there to see it, like I'm going to upload this content. And everybody just have a good day. Have a wonderful evening. And if you're not traveling, if you're not doing something, if you're just sitting at home, just saying woulda, shoulda, coulda, please get up, get out. If you don't do nothing but get out and go out to dinner. If you don't feel like fixing a quick meal, you just want a quick meal fixed for you, get up, go out, have fun, but enjoy your life. Life is short. Life is quick. Blink of an eye. It's over. Enjoy your life. Just like I got this quick meal, we got these quick lives. Okay? So, subscribe, comment, share, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and I'm going to see you on the next video, which will be coming out soon. And I hope everybody got a chance to see my quick getaway in Tahoe. It was wonderful. And also the sunset. It was beautiful being out there in the sunset. The next time I go somewhere, I'm going to make sure I do some sunsets so I can share with you guys. And with that being said, that's my time. And I'm getting ready to shut it down because y'all know I'll keep going. Blah, 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 blah. And thank you, everybody.